I recently met someone who had death in their eyes, a drug addict, 27 years old, and no life seemingly left. Then on the other hand, a 79-year-old woman came to visit me the other day, a flamenco dancer, and she had life in her eyes, almost childlike wonder about life. What's the difference? It puzzled me. And then I called out for the red monkey. I huffed and puffed and went through the jungle and then eventually found him. And he said to me, the answer is quite simple. It's about survival. Even us monkeys, the first thing that we think about is survival. So remember, the first law of nature is self-preservation. And it's very important to know. Otherwise, if you don't follow the natural laws, you can end up destroying your life.